Hello Bladers! So you've just obtained your vehicle. After careful maintenance, whether new or old, the next step is to invest on your car accessories. These car accessories will ensure your driving experience a pleasant one. Welcome to our daily drive. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Here are 4 car accessories you must invest on. Number 1. Smartphone holders. Holding the smartphone in your hands while driving is not only illegal but may become a dangerous hazard. Fortunately, there is now a solution to this problem, and it is the smartphone holders. Number 2. Neck pillow. Car neck pillows help you to ease the discomfort of sitting in your car during peak hours or long trips. Another benefit of them is reducing your neck pain. Number 3. Portable tire pressure gauge. Tire pressure is one of the most important factors influencing the driving controls because riding on overinflated or underinflated tires can cause some possible failure like harsh handling, unevenly wear on your tires, and may increase your fuel consumption. Lastly but not the least, number 4. Blind spot mirror. According to most drivers, the existing rear view or side mirror can't help them observe several blind spots on the road. Blind spot mirrors are particularly useful for widening the view. These 2-inch mirrors make vehicles behind visible to you, thus, this will help you to avoid them when trying to overtake other cars. These are also helpful when orchestrating your vehicle on a safe parking space to visibly see the parking lines underneath. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. Getting your next car accessories is both exciting and sometimes pricey. So make sure you make the right decision on this investment. Make sure your purchase comes with legitimate receipt and warranty for your own protection. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.